Hello everyone, welcome back to AG Blend. I am Gio George. So this week I'm going to share with you guys how to make Kerala style chicken curry. This recipe I'll be especially using for the new people who are start learning how to cook Indian food. For them this is going to be like a really easy and simple way to do it. I'll be using whole chicken, almost like a 4 pound. Then if you don't want to use the whole chicken, you could use leg quarters, or you could use the chicken breast. I always cook my chicken curry with the whole chicken because it gives you like a really good flavor. If you don't want to buy a whole chicken and cut it yourself, you could just buy the chicken from Publix. They will cut the chicken for you. You just need to tell them just cut it for curry size. So that way you don't have to do anything. You just come home, just wash the chicken, cook it right away. Also, I always make like this, like whenever I don't feel like standing in the kitchen for so long to make something. I'll be using a pressure cooker. The pressure cooker is going to be like really easy and so fast to make this dish. If you don't have a pressure cooker, you can use the same method just for any pot. Also, if you are first time to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. So share the video with your friends and family. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. So stay tuned. Alright, so these are the ingredients we need to make our chicken curry. So we need to slice 2 red onions, and you need 1 tomatoes. You need some curry leaves, 1 potatoes. I'm using 3 green chilies. Also I'm using 6 to 7 garlic clove, small piece ginger, some cilantro. Alright guys, so I already sliced all the vegetable whatever I need. So the ginger and the garlic and the green chilies I smashed into the grinding stone. For the ingredients you need for all the spices: half cup yogurt, 5 tablespoon coconut oil, 1.5 tablespoon salt. Salt always add for your taste. 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon black pepper, 1.5 tablespoon garam masala, 3 tablespoon chicken curry masala. Alright guys, so I'm using chicken curry masala, the South Indian brand. You could use any different brand, it doesn't matter. It's depend on how spicy it's gonna be, the brand. Every brand has like a different spices into it. So I always change chicken curry masala here and there because so that way you get like all different kind of flavors. So I'm not gonna stick with the one flavor. So these are the brand that I use most of the time on my chicken curry masala. Now the next step is we need to grind some of the vegetable. I will add like half of the onions. I am adding 1 tomato into it. I am going to add our yogurt. I'm going to add all the spices. When you add a garam masala, make sure you just add only 1 tablespoon, and the half tablespoon just keep it in there. So we need to use this one on the end. So the black pepper also I'm not adding now because I'm going to use this on the end. Adding the salt also. Let me go blend this. I'll be right back. I already cut the chicken and cleaned, washed properly. Into that I'm going to add the sauce that we just made. I put like a little bit of water and put on the jar and mix it really good, so that way I will get rest of all the spices in there. Now we are going to add all other ingredients. I'm going to add the onions, going to add the garlic, ginger, green chilies, potatoes. I'm going to add some cilantro now. I'm not using the whole cilantro. I'm going to keep some for on the end. Curry leaves. Now you need to mix it really good. Alright, so our marinade is done. So it's going to look like this. I'm going to close it and keep it for 5 minutes. Then I'm going to put it on the stove. Alright, so now turn the stove on, medium-high heat. Wait until we get the first whistle. After the whistle, turn the stove off and keep it there for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take off the pressure from the cooker. Whoa, look at that. Mix it really good. See, our chicken is cooked properly. Now turn the stove back on. I need to add our last ingredients. That's the half tablespoon garam masala. Also, I am adding our black pepper and mix it really good. Now taste the chicken curry, see if you need a more salt or anything like that. You could just add it now. I would say around like maybe 3 to 4 minutes. It's ready to eat, but I just want to make our gravy a little bit thicker. If you want a more gravy, you don't have to do this procedure. Alright guys, so turn the stove off, add our cilantro. So our chicken curry is ready to serve. So I'll be serving our chicken curry with the Malaysian paratha. It's like a really good combination with our chicken curry. Let's taste first. So tell me, how is it?
Good.
It's spicy?
No, not really. That potato's good. Let's heat it up. Baby, you're gonna eat cereal. You're gonna eat your breakfast.
Some chicken. Alright guys, so this is so easy to make it. Anybody can make it, just follow through whatever I did. And as you guys can see, the chicken is like cooked really well and it's so tasty. Even the kids love it too.
Thank you! Hey guys, I love you. Mama. Hello. Welcome. Stay blessed. And I love you everybody. And my favorite camera. Why are you looking at me, camera? But stay blessed. Bye-bye. See you guys next time. Stay blessed. Hey guys, I love this so good.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, share the video with your friends and family. Until I see you next time, stay blessed.